Welcome back to S&S British Bird Diaries. Had my delivery come this morning, game changer. As it is, been suffering with a bit of damp. So I've gone and got me a humidifier. Plus my jars have come. Make life easier so I can do a cycle each day. And there's my humidifier, boys. Take the damp out the air, as it is. Some cages, especially at the back, they do get a bit damp, so that's why I went and bought a humidifier on the roof. So I hope you're all doing well. Me and Mr. Phillips Bird Room's doing a video this afternoon, so stay tuned. Have a great Christmas, everyone. Stay safe. On that one, boom, I'm out.